Okay, YouTube, this is your boy Mark for Loose Screws and Views, back again another video. But you know how we do. Before we get started, let's get all that business and politicking out of the way. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you'll be notified of new videos. Tell a friend, tell a friend. Go ahead and subscribe. Alright, now that we got all that business and politicking out of the way, let's get to the video. Okay, YouTube, this is your boy Mark, back again another video. And today we're going to be taking a look at a neon on air sign, alright? Neon wall sign, alright? But before we know how we do, before we get started, let's get a couple things out of the way. One, I'm not an expert. Two, I'm just a guy who loves tech and gadgets. And three, I just like to showcase new products I get right here on the channel, alright? Alright. Hey, companies out there, if you want something unboxed or showcased on the channel, go down there in the description box and get my information, alright? And while you're down there, everybody, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. It helps the channel, alright? Greatly appreciate it, alright? Alright. Yeah, like I was saying, like I'm, your boy Mark, always scouring the interwebs or something. And occasionally I might go out to the store. So I went out to Hobby Lobby and then saw they had these signs. And then I went and double checked on Amazon. So both of them had them, and just happened to have I found a good deal, but it was like pretty much like 40% off. So I said, let me go get one of these, and maybe this will help me in the problem me and Skippy have, because Skippy don't let nobody know when we record and everything. So I figured this would be a good add to the studio. Get one of those on-air signs, so maybe Skippy will stop catching me off guard, But anyway, this is one of my neon, wall signs for on air. If like you got a little studio or a podcast or something like that, and you don't want nobody just walking in on your session or whatever, you have one of these. It's good to have this right here. Just turn the light on, let somebody know you're on air. Or if you just want something to decorate your setup, maybe you don't have a podcast, maybe you don't have a YouTube channel or TikTok or anything like that. You just want to, just want something to liven up your little setup. Put it in your bar area or your man cave, woman cave, whatever you got. You know what I'm saying? But I say, let me pick this bad boy up. It really does. On the box, it doesn't say, what company it's from. Because like I said, I picked it up at Hobby Lobby. Let me show you the back of it. This is all you see on the back. Really not too much. Basically, it's like a on-air neon sign wall light. But it's saying it's about 23 by 6 inches. Well, 23.6 inches. Then it's like saying by 8.66 inches, and let me see, then it goes into centimeters and all that good stuff. It has a 6.5 foot USB power cable, so just a USB cable, not a regular cable, power cable. It has USB input voltage 4.5, 5 volt DC rating and all that blah 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 blah. It says long lasting integrated LED bulbs are not replaceable. Only use this product with USB supplied. Alright, so it's trying to give you warning. Just use it with whatever comes in the box. Let's see here. It says a long cable for USB power. And I'll turn it around. This is what I was just reading right here. And you probably saw the same stuff on the back. I was just reading this stuff up here on the top. I don't know if you can see that. I think my light might be a little bit too bright. Turn this light down a little bit so you guys can see. Maybe that'll work. Yeah, so you can see that right there. So basically what we're gonna do is I'm gonna take this over here to the unboxing desk, get this bad boy out of the box, and see how it works. Alright? Yo Skippy, do your thing. Alright, we're back over here on the unboxing table. Let's take another quick look at this box, what I got in the box. You can pause that stuff, read it for yourself. Let me turn around on the back. And let's see here. You can pause this and read it for yourself. And over here, what does this say? Long-lasting integrated LED light decoration. This is not a toy. I wouldn't think it was a toy. All right, let's go ahead and get this bad boy out of the box. We got Rainbow Bright back in action. She's a little dirty. She's been wore out. But let's go ahead and get this bad boy out of the box to see how we got this. They got this tape. Alright. Tape right here. See, that all the tape on here? So far. So let's go ahead and. Okay. Came apart real easy. Looks like I got it. There we go. I I'm about to get anxious. Pull this bad boy out. Alright, that's one part down. Okay, I guess there's some more stuff. Okay, let's see here. Alright, let's get this box out of the way. It'll give me a headache. Okay, and here is the sign itself. I guess they said it has a 6-foot cord. Alright, USB. And also they have the controls on it. You turn it off and on. And you can see that. Alright, let me go ahead and plug this bad boy up though and see if it's working good. It's got an extra long cord. You plug it into USB over here. Okay, we got juice. Okay, pretty cool. Long cord. Okay, that's cool. And I guess it just had that one mode. Okay, that's all you need. Alright, let me go ahead and show you the back of it while it's on. And it's cool to the touch right now. Alright. Okay. Alright, let's go ahead and take this back over to the desk and check it out. Yo, Skippy, take me back. Alright. We're back over here at the desk. Let's see here. I got the sign out. I mean, it's alright. I mean, I'm gonna leave a link down in the description box below where you can get more information on it. But it's pretty decent. I'm not sure when I'm gonna put it yet, but it's pretty decent. I'm gonna show you the back of it because I think I forgot to show you the back of it. See the back of it. Get the glare from my ring light. Alright, you know, to clean it off a little bit. I know this is a fingerprint magnet, but overall it's pretty cool. Also, like I said, they said use the USB that came with it, and I happen to have a power bank, so you can use this with a power bank. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug it into the power bank. Bam! There be the light, and there was the light. Wow! Let me go ahead and cut this. Let me cut the lights off in the studio so you can, see it a little bit better. Ziggy, turn off studio.
Okay.
Wow, it's pretty cool. Turn it around. All right. Basically, it's simple. It's just something simple. Click on, click off. Pretty simple. Let me turn these lights back on in the studio. Yo, Ziggy, turn on studio.
Okay.
Alright, got the lights back on. But basically, I mean, this is just plain and simple. There's really nothing too much to say about it. Just on-air light, sign. You can neon sign you can put up in your studio, or you can put it up, when your gaming setup, your man cave, woman cave. Like I said earlier, wherever you want to put it, you get it. You put it wherever you want to put it. It is yours. But like I said, it wasn't too much information on here. Just like I said, it has a 6-foot cord. Let me look at the box again, because for the spec junkies out there, let's see here, 6.5 inch cord, 6.5 foot cord, USB. Let's see, indoor use only, not outside or not on the deck. Let's see here, what else it has on here. Let's see, where is the dimensions? All right, it's 23.6 inches by 0.6 inches by 8.66 inches. All right, for you spec junkies out there. Now I'll put this a little closer so you can read it again for the spec junkies out there, so they can see the specs on there, because I'm not really a spec junkie. But anyway, I'm just a regular everyday person doing these videos. I'm not an expert like I always say. But yeah, just pretty simple. I'm gonna leave a link down in the description box below if you have any more questions, or you want to check it out more detailed for yourself. Go ahead and click on the link down in the description box where you can get more information on this sign. Because like I said, I'm not seeing anything else different on here, but it's just switch, light, plug. That's it. I mean, wow, that's it. All right. Alright, if you made it this far, go ahead and hit that like, subscribe, notification bell so you can be notified of new videos. Tell a friend, and tell that friend, tell a friend, because everybody, every little bit helps. Alright? I appreciate you guys taking out time to check out this video. And if you haven't subscribed, what you waiting on? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Help somebody out. Alright, anyway, let me get out for that right here. Like I always say, treat people how you want to be treated. Treat people better than you want to be treated, alright? Alright. Let's see, the message for the day. Oh, yeah, I was thinking about this the other day. Message for the day. Don't forget about those people once you that helped you out once you get on top. Like once you become successful, don't forget to reach back and help somebody else up the ladder. You know what I'm saying? Somebody else come behind you, reach back and help them out. Because I notice this nowadays. A lot of people, once they get to a certain level, or whatever, they get to be successful. They want to hoard all the information to themselves. They're scared to pass on the information to help them get to where they are. So stop being stingy and go ahead and share the information. And when you become successful, help somebody else be successful. Reach back and pull somebody else by it, and help them be successful. You know what I'm saying? Because somebody probably had to help you out sometimes. So hey, don't forget to help those people out that's coming behind you. All right, and then them people out there that's struggling, go ahead and help them out. Hey, don't forget about the little people, because you never know. You might get knocked off your pedestal, and them same people that you didn't help out might be the ones you're gonna really need to get back to your level. All right. This been your boy Mark for Loose Screws Views. Drop the mic, and I'm out. Peace. All right, we off air.